Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix repost option not showing on your TikTok. So firstly, we are going to try is to go to the App Store or to your Play Store. If you have an Android, and make sure that your TikTok is updated. So in the App Store, let's just go to the search bar and type in TikTok right here. So click on the TikTok app and make sure that it says open. That means that your TikTok application is updated. So if it says update right here, just click on that and it will update your app. So the next way that we will try if your repost option is still not showing on TikTok is to clear our cache. So again, go back to the profile page. Click on the 3-line button at the top right corner. Click on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down a bit and you will see an option right here that says Clear Cache. So since you are dealing with the repost option that's showing, let's just type in repost. And we also attach media files right here. Just click on that and click on report. So you may wait for at least 2 to 3 business days for TikTok to give our response. So after you have done all those steps, you go ahead to your For You page, your home page, click on the share button to see if your post button is already right there. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all.